Okay, good morning, everyone.
Okay
So
lang
we
po.
have the College of Midwifery and Allied Health Sciences, and I have mentioned that wanna be a frontliner. We are so famous this time of pandemic. So we don't have slides to share, but I would like to mention that we are a college that caters quality health services amid social adversities. So the College of Midwifery and Allied Health Sciences offers diploma in midwifery with government recognition number 52 series of 1987. So matagal na talaga ang midwifery. Kauna-unahan dito sa Region 12. And we have the Bachelor of Science in Midwifery with government recognition number 60 series of 2012. And we have also with the Bachelor of Science in Nutrition and Dietetics with government recognition 009 series of 2009. What is our vision? The College of Midwifery and Allied Health Sciences envisions itself to provide quality training for the holistic development of midwives and nutritionists, dietitians who have appropriate knowledge, skills, attitudes, and experiences through instruction, service learning, research, and extension towards the promotion of excellent maternal and child care, hospital dietetics, food service, and community health. Our mission, the College of Midwifery and Allied Health Sciences commits to provide quality and relevant midwifery and nutrition and dietetic students to make them globally competitive, socially, culturally sensitive, and service-oriented professionals. We are the Bachelor of Science in Midwifery. Of course, we have our birthing clinic, but this time because of the pandemic, we are still we have our aside from that we have our simulated hospital. And the Bachelor of Science in Midwifery is a 4-year degree program consisting of general education and professional courses which prepare registered midwives for higher level midwifery competencies. What are those job opportunities? So they will be faculty trainer, supervisor, principal, health facility administrator, researcher, entrepreneur, clinic owner manager, or health program manager. So we have already graduates who have their own lying-in clinics in Baguio and also in Libungan. So what are the requirements for Bachelor of Science in Midwifery? Level 3. So we have this, if you are done with the diploma in midwifery, kung tapos na kayo yung sa 2-year program and you pass the licensure examination and you are a registered midwife, you can enter the level 3 for Bachelor of Science in Midwifery. How about the diploma in midwifery? This is a 2-year program consisting of general education and professional courses which prepares students for entry-level midwifery competencies. The graduates of the program are qualified to take the government licensure examination. In connection with the midwifery licensure examination, we are above the national passing rate. And also, previous years, matagal na yon, in the 1980s, we have number 2 in the licensure examination, and also we have number 6 and number 10 in the licensure exam. So this time, for the 2-year program, we have, they can be also become staff midwife, rural health midwife, or clinical instructor. Now, saan kami nag-duty, or at this time, since we are still in pandemic, and we hope that we will be having it, no, the duty later, the College of Midwifery is affiliated with the following hospitals. 1, at Dr. Amado Provincial Foundation Hospital, our base hospital, Alyosan District Hospital, the Rural Health Unit of Midsayap and its paanakan. And for the tertiary level hospital, we have the Cotabato Regional Hospital and Medical Center. So for the ND, for the nutritionist, and dietitians. They are devoted to practice in hospital dietetics, food service, and community and public health nutrition. Another one also, they manage nutrition programs, manage food service units in hospitals and other food institutions. The occupations, private and government hospitals and other agencies, as chief nutritionist dietitians, therapeutic NDs, administrative nutritionist dietitians, food in the industry and food service in the institutions, and of course the allied health services. With that, midwives saves lives. And also with this, please join our team. Enroll at the College of Midwifery and Allied Health Sciences. Thank you and keep safe, everyone. Good morning.